What are you doing under there, gorgeous?
Oh, hey, Jimmy Parsons. Let me get up.
Need some help, fat girl?
Watch it now. Too many Oreos. Well, I'm glad you asked, Jimmy. I am installing the Hedman headers. I just got the front and the back bolt started on the driver's side. These are a real gorgeous set of headers. They're the Hedman, I believe they call them the Elite Series. They're 14 gauge wall construction. They have an 1 5/8" primary tube, a 3-inch collector, and they are just fabulous. These are the headers that we took off, and you had bought these used apparently. And as you can see, the flange is made up of 4 pieces. And when I put these on, they were really hard to line up.
Well, those are ugly.
Yeah, they're ugly. And then, so that brings me to my next point about these headers. This Hedman series has a 3/8 thick flange. It's all one piece. And literally, I already have the passenger side done, and all the bolts just started so perfect. I have the anti-seize on my fingers to prove it. I also want to point out, yeah, I said something about anti-seize. We use anti-seize on everything. It's I didn't know about this trick until I met Jimmy. Of course, I'm not an engine person. I'm a custom gal. But Jimmy taught me anti-seize is used for everything. And then our last piece of the puzzle are these Mr. Gasket copper gaskets. And we are both a real big believer in these. They seal good. I don't anticipate any problems with these headers sealing just because it is a one-piece flange. So anyway, my next step, now that I have the front and the rear bolts started, I'll drop this down. They have a slot in the front and the rear, so I can just drop it down, and then I'll get my other bolts started and tighten them up, and then I'll move on to my next project.
There you have it, folks. Happy trails.